Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the wireless display installation failed on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All you have to do is open up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. And once that's done, close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully it was as simple as that. And if you go and attempt to install the display application again, the issues should no longer be present. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.